to my closet. I wanted to show you a little bit of the closet. I think this is the main place where I'm going to film. Last time I filmed this makeup tutorial, well, edited makeup tutorial. But what I really want to show you is different things about the house, about being at home. It's a time of year where we go much more inside, where we don't go outside too much, we don't see too many people. But I want to show you different things and different ways where you can make your home as cozy as possible for yourself and your family, and also for friends and extended family if you're inviting them. Today I'm filming in my closet. The reason is that I wanted to show you how I organize some things. Actually, we did the walk-in closet. It could be a little bit echoey in here. We did a walk-in closet. I can tour it sometime for you. It's really nothing. I'm not Mariah Carey, right? It's just a small but very fine place. I just wanted things to have their place. I'm obsessed with organizing. I love organizing. I would be a professional organizer if people in the Netherlands would pay money for it, but they don't. So I'm not a professional, but I love organizing. I love that things have their places, and I believe that when everything has a place, it's so much easier to make sure things go back to their places. So I want to show you two things actually. I will be showing you with my husband's things, with his t-shirts. You're probably seeing a little bit of footage of there right now. They're all organized in a kind of a system. And I want to show you about my bed linen as well. The sheets, the way I organize them and how I do them. And as a bonus, moment of silence, as a bonus, I'm going to show you at the end of this video how I fold the elasticated sheet. I don't believe that it's 2018 and there's so many people walking around not knowing how to fold elasticated sheets. Really, that's the thing. That's something you learn once. You are going to love the results. If it's not a habit, you want it to be a habit, you have to do more often. But I think what I want to say here is that it doesn't matter how big your closet space is or how big your house is. It really is about, for me, it is about how you organize stuff. Make sure everything has its place and everything has a house. Everything should have a little home inside the home. And if you see this space right here, this is where I put my most used things, and I like to do it in a way that I wake up in the morning and I look at that place, this space. It just makes me happy because I love that things are organized. I'll be doing different things, different videos. Today I want to show you how I fold the t-shirts and how I fold the bed sheets so that you can find them really easily. I want to ask you, if you like the video, please comment if you have any questions and click on the like button so that I know that you love to see more of these kind of videos coming up. Thank you so much already and enjoy the folding tutorial. So I wanted to tell you how you can do the t-shirts so that they stay all the same way, the same shape. I use this. It's just a magazine, but it's the smaller size. You have a bigger size as well. I have the smaller size one as a. I use the small size magazines to keep the shape. So put it down your shirt. Put magazine here. And then I follow the shape. It's just a normal fold, or for me it's normal. Try to keep everything as straight as possible. This is a shirt my husband uses under a shirt or under knit or something. It's the undershirt, as I would say. So it's not ironed and it won't be ironed. Then I just keep the same shape, fold everything very as straight as possible, but it's more for the sake of the drawer. Then I put this back up, take off the magazine and fold it once again. So it's a square, it's like a perfect square, and I will put them in the drawer like this. So this is the bed sheet folded in I think in fours or something. So I fold them once again now. No. So I leave it here like this. Then I have the elasticated sheet. So this was like this. As a bonus part on this film, I will show you how I fold this. I think it's unbelievable. That's 2018. There's still people walking around not knowing how to fold elasticated sheets. So I fold them and then I put it in threes. And then the cushion covers, just folded in two, nothing too extreme about that. But then I take the bigger one, the larger sheet, and I fold it over it, and then I fold it again over it. And I like to fold everything 3 times for some reason, but you can fold it just 2 times. The thing is, it has to be practical. What I want to achieve with this is that when I put this like this in the closet, next time I or my husband will change the bedding, we just need to take one of these. So this is the way I fold things. This is the way I prepare everything. I like, as I said in the beginning, I think that when everything has a home and is done in a certain way, it's easier for you to keep it that way. The thing is, have everything in hand. For example, the magazine that I showed you that I use, it's always here. It's always at the same place where I fold the laundry. If I will have to search for another magazine another time, and you have to make it as easy as possible for you. I love doing it, but what I love the most is the results. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I could shed some light into your organization life. And if you want a tour of my walk-in closet, so it sounds so fancy, it's really nothing, but if you want a tour of it, please let me know in the comments and I will tour it for you. I hope you have an amazing day, and if you are watching the video, just go ahead and start folding. You love it, you love the results, I'm telling you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.